Hi everyone, welcome to Vasult Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Capricorns. I actually shuffled the card. I started the recording, but actually my phone got stopped due to some reason. So I am recording it again. But I made a decision to do the reading with the same cards. Okay, I don't want to reshuffle it because currently these are your energies. Okay, so yes, and guys, one important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join 15 days tarot learning workshop and numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys, because we are really working hard to cross it. Okay, so yeah, we'll be talking about romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, I've already laid out the cards as I informed you earlier. Okay, so you are ending, you are going through some major endings, Capricorns. You are ending a relationship, a toxic situation, toxic connection, betrayal, lies, jealousy, competition, strife, betrayals. Okay, so you are ending something very toxic into your life. Okay, it might be a connection, it might be a person, a relationship with a person, or it might be a situation, it might be betrayal, jealousy, competition which is into your head. Okay, so yeah, you're ending something. Okay, and you are going through some major internal transformation, internal healing, internal changes. Okay, a lot of your perspective is about to change 360 degree. So it is all about endings and new beginnings. Major completions are happening. Okay, major karmic cycles are ending. Okay, so new beginnings are will be happening in the month of August for you guys. You are ready to move forward. Your head will be clear in the month of August, and you will be taking action to move forward, to work on yourself, to be stable into your life. Okay, and to move forward into your life independently. Okay, Capricorns, into your romantic love life. Okay, so into your career life, this is all about career. So you are really emotional, you are really worried, you are really sad and depressed when it comes to your financial stuff, Capricorns. Okay, you are really worried about it, but at the same time you are just not sitting there. You are taking an action to work on yourself, self love, self care. Okay, you are ready to work on your stability in the month of August. You will be working hard towards your own stability, to set your own stable life. Okay, self love and self care will be at most priority in terms of your stability when it comes to your financial life. Okay, it might be a stable career, a stable job offer, a stable business. Okay, starting a new business, starting a new job, something is stable. Okay, something that serves you long term and which is stable. Okay, so this represents me with a stable career as well. Okay, so I feel that this is a very independent energy. Okay, so you will be working hard towards your independence. You will be gaining your independent energy, your stable life when it comes to your financial matters, your stability, your own stability. You just want to be on your own. You don't want to depend on someone else. Okay, when it comes to your independence and freedom. Okay, so you will, this is all about talking to me, independent soul energy, working on yourself, self love, self care. Okay, working on your own career, not focusing on something else. Okay, so yes, guys. Relationship. Okay, so it's all about relationship. Karmic cycles are coming to an end, Capricorns. Okay, so the people who were committed but into a separation, the people who were not in less or no communication, the people who were separated between two choices, two decisions. Bhaiya, the people, sorry guys. Okay, the people who are karmically attached. Okay, so karmic cycles are coming to an end on a major basis. Okay, so I feel that the people who are karmic partners, okay, their relationship will be ending. The people who are into twin flame connection or soulmate connection or spiritual connection, but were into separation, okay, a reconciliation or a reunion might be taking place for you guys, okay. So this karmic cycle is all about endings, okay. So August is all about endings and new beginnings in your life, new career, new connection, okay. Some of you might be starting a new relationship as well, okay, or a new beginning with the past relationship, okay, a new passionate beginning with the existing relationship, if it's a twin flame connection or a soulmate connection or a spiritual connection. If you are dealing with a karmic partner or a karmic connection, then things are coming to an end definitely, okay. So yeah, things, if you are waiting for some, you are actually waiting for some sort of news or for email, text from your person into this relationship, okay. So yeah, karmic cycles are coming to an end, and if you didn't made move, or if they didn't made a move, okay, whosoever was in no communication or less communication, those things are coming to an end, and things will be moving forward, okay. Action action will be taking place for you guys, okay. Shh. Sorry guys for the interruptions. I cannot do anything, okay. So romance, career, relationship, this is financial part for you guys, okay. So if your financial part was not going on really good, if you had any many ups and downs when it comes to your long term financial stability, okay, so a new opportunity is waiting for you in the month of August. New offers will be coming to you. If there were offers but something didn't work out, then things will be moving forward with new opportunities, okay, cracking a new job, new project, getting a new collaboration, working on a new project, okay, new life and new beginnings when it comes to your financial stability, financial beginnings, okay. So yeah, new opportunities, it's all about new opportunities, okay. Yes. So yeah, major stabilities will be coming in the month of August, or you will be starting something new. New beginnings are taking place in the month of August, Capricorns, okay. If something was not working out into your financial life, then new beginnings will be taking place for you, okay. So yeah, let's check it out what's going on with your oracle card. Okay, so this one flipped up. The moon. A lot of hidden secrets, hidden truths will be coming out, Capricorns. Stay cautious, okay? You will have you are somewhere fearful about either your financial life or either your relationship, okay? So a lot of hidden secrets will be coming out. Stop being fearful and be fearless, okay? That is what universe is trying to tell you. Do not worry because he has your back, okay, guys? So yes. Capricorns. I don't know where I kept my deck, okay. So yeah, I was confused where I kept it. So, the first one. Wow. Okay, so Capricorns, if you are disappointed about something, if you are going through a lot of major stress, okay, so release it. Universe is trying to tell you, release it. Release all the disappointments related to your relationship or else career. Release it, okay. Whatever stress you are going through, release it, relieve it, okay. Keep patience because universe has your back. Keep patience, okay. Universe is guiding you. And also few of the Capricorns might be, you might hear a pregnancy news, you might be expecting, okay, females, okay, in Capricorns, feminines. And a few of the Capricorns, universe is trying to tell you, be patient because universe is trying to take care of you. Okay, if you have major guilt, guys, okay, related to something, it might be relationship, it might be career. If you have major guilt, okay, release those guilt. Okay, and just be into your present, just understand yourself better, and be regretless. Okay, do not be regretful. It is all about communication, it is all about changes, it is all about relocation, it is all about moving from one location to another location or traveling. Okay, so this might include in the month of August as well. Okay, if you were very much defensive. Okay, or if the other person was defensive, whosoever was defensive with when it comes to a certain situation. Okay, do not be like that. Okay, because universe is guiding you. This is all happening because divine intervention is there into this connection or into this financial stuff. Okay, so do not be do not be stressful. Okay, do not be defensive, because universe is guiding you. Okay, just release all your burdens, headaches, problems. Okay, because universe is really trying to guide you through their dreams or universal messages. Okay, which you are unable to understand. So just be careful about it, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, guys, healing message for a healthy goals. So, if you think that no matter what I do, I always manage to have health and financial disasters, then universe is telling you that I now release worry about my health, finances and work. I trust that the future will take care of the past with the help of my higher power. Okay, so you are reaching to a higher level of spirituality, where you are understanding that what's the cause and effect relationship. Okay, so yes, guys, be you know just be careful about your life, about your connections, about your systems. Okay, so yeah, guys. Okay, we have a kid over here. I'm really sorry, he's my nephew and I cannot help it out, but yeah. So yeah, uh, so who is your archangel for the month of August, guys? Okay, so your archangel name is Chamuel, Chamuel. Okay, so Archangel Chamuel offers guidance on relationship and healing. Yes, as we saw, you are going through karmic cycle, so a major in transformation you are dealing with right now. Okay, you are feeling a lot of confused, weird energy, anxiety issues, everything. Okay, so major healing. So he is protecting you right now in the month of August. Okay, his message for you, his message for you is unconditional love is mine today and always. Every cell in my being vibrates at the rate of love. I feel good, I feel happy, I'm grateful. The energy of my loving vibration nurtures my thoughts and feelings. Okay, so your gemstone for the month of August is pink tourmaline. Okay, tourmaline. So I'll spell it out: PINKTAOURMALINE. Okay, pink tourmaline. It looks like this. Okay, if you want to use it, you can search on Google as well. Okay, so your message for this is: do you treat yourself well? What kind of self talk is going on into your mind? So universal archangel message for you guys is that pay attention to how well you treat yourself. Be aware of your inner chatter and make changes towards love. Treat yourself the way you want to be treated. It is time to awaken your consciousness and focus on love for yourself. Yeah, your self love, self care is utmost priority in the month of August, Capricorns. Okay, focus on that. Okay, you are having a major awakening in the month of August, major transformation, major healing, major awakening you are going through, major understanding of the situation you are going through, which is great. Okay, Capricorn, so it looks like to me very positive because your karmic cycles are ending. Okay, and new beginnings are happening. August will be the month of new action, new life, new beginnings. Okay, and it's all very positive. Okay, you'll start seeing positivity and results after 15th or 20th of August. Okay, so yeah, observe it. Okay, so guys, I hope that you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the YouTubers. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys, Capricorns. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye, and sorry for all the distractions.